This bird looks like it escaped from prehistoric times. The shoebill is one of the strangest birds on Earth. Its huge bill looks like a wooden shoe, and that's where its name comes from. Standing nearly 5 feet tall, it can stay completely still while waiting for prey. Then, in an instant, it strikes. Shoebills hunt fish, frogs, snakes, and other small animals. But their most terrifying feature might be their stare. They can stand motionless, staring straight ahead like they're judging your entire existence. Definitely one of nature's weirdest birds.